Hi, this is Mrs. Murray, and I'm going to show you how to do the college tracker in Richer Picture. You log into your Richer Picture account, and then you'll click on Learning Plans. Okay, when Learning Plans come up, you are going to scroll down to Academics, and you should see College Tracker under Grade 10. You are going to click on that, and there will be a site here where you can research different colleges, or you can go to their websites. You need to research at least 5 different colleges. When you get your information about your 5 different colleges, well, you can do them one at a time. So when you get your information about your first one, click on the Add button. It's going to ask you the name, if you visited, did you attend an information session, did you apply, were you accepted, will you be attending that? Okay, so you want to get this started. Just and any notes like why you liked the school, like what attracted it to you. So when you are done, okay, you need to save this. Now, as 10th graders, you probably haven't visited too many of them. And since we haven't had any information sessions or college fairs because of the pandemic, you probably wouldn't have gone to that either. But you will have a chance to go back and change these later in your junior or senior year. So probably just the name, whether you were interested in it, and I'd put a note like what you liked about it. And make sure to save. You need to do this for 5 different colleges you are interested in. And like I said, you can either go directly to the college's website, or if you don't know 5 colleges you're interested in, there is a link right here that will help you with college search that you should do anyhow, even on top of the colleges you know. That's all there is to it. Thank you.